Hello, and welcome to part 4 for your biology portfolio projects. And here we go. This is a particular project is going to be about the biological processes and systems, specifically for the human body. And what you're going to do is very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to create a Google Slides presentation based on 4 of the following major human body systems: digestive, circulatory, skeletal, immune, muscular, nervous, endocrine, and respiratory. So all you have to do is choose 4 out of those. Once you choose that, then you will answer each one of these for each of the 4. So you'll have a diagram or a picture of the system. You will include a function of the system. In other words, the circulatory system, what does it do? Well, it carries blood and oxygen throughout the body, so on and so forth. What are the major organs of the system? For the circulatory system, there's heart, there's veins, there's arteries, there's capillaries, there's blood, right? White blood cells, red blood cells, all of those kinds of things, right? Then you need to include at least 2 examples of interactions with other systems, such as the circulatory system works with the respiratory system to take oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body, right? The circulatory system also works with the immune system, right? Because once again, the white blood cells and it actually carries a lot of the antibodies around the body in order to fight off infections or diseases or anything such as that. So how does each one fit, or how does each one interact with at least 2 other systems, and what do they do when they interact? To give you a better example, what we're going to be doing is taking a look at here. And so each one of these would be a slide in Google Slides. So for the system, if you use the skeletal system, then you would have a picture of the skeletal system. You will have a function, makes up the framework of the body, okay? The associated organs, the bones, such as the skull and the vertebrae and so forth. Then this one in particular is how it interacts with the nervous system. So that would be one of the interactions that it would do. So all of this information would be one, or how it interacts with one other system. So you would need to find another system that it interacts with and tell me how that the skeletal system interacts with that particular system, right? If you look at the cardiovascular system, right? Then the cardiovascular or the circulatory system, here you go. The function, this is what it does, associated organs, and then here's how it interacts with the nervous system, so on and so forth. So all you need to do is put each one of these on a separate slide and then move on to the next one. And then you will do that for 4 of the systems that I have laid out for you on that one. Now, in order to, let's take a look at the grading rubric for this particular project. Each box is worth 3 points. Make sure that you include all of the categories for each system. You may use as many or as few slides as you need in order to actually accomplish each of the following. Make sure that you have, or that you've labeled which system that you are choosing, right? Make sure that you have described the function of it. Make sure you have a diagram or a picture of it. Make sure that you include all of the major organs, and then how it interacts with the other systems, those 2 other systems. Same thing with system 2, 3, and 4. And so you will receive 3 points for each one of these boxes that you successfully complete. Add all those up. If you add all those up and your points come between 54 and 60, you get an A. If it's 48 to 53, you get a B. If it's 42 to 47, you get a C. 36 to 41, a D, and 35 points or less is an F. If you have any questions whatsoever whenever it comes to doing this, let me know. All you have to do is contact me, K Morris. All you have to do is contact me at kmorris, MORRIS, at crandall-isd.net, and I will answer any and all of your questions. So I hope that you have fun while you're researching this. I hope that you use this to actually showcase exactly what it is that you know, that you go above and beyond and don't do the bare minimum. I hope that you have a wonderful time. And once again, if you have any questions, contact me and I will answer them straight away. Thank you. Have a great day.